Welcome Rain's pop-up store will be held for 3 days only from December 13th Friday to 15 Sun at Gobongi TF. Please enjoy a fresh space that is a little different from the usual TF, from basic items to those with a bit of quirkiness. This lineup is perfect for those who want something a little different this winter. Outerwear, jackets, shirts, sweatshirts, denim, trousers. We hope you will find your favorite. The store, which was rickety and lonely, has become lively at once, so why not take this opportunity to visit? Other new items are also in stock, so please enjoy shopping according to your mood this weekend.